Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of This versus That. Tonight I'm just going to do a quick iPhone 13 test. The only one I have that can test against is my old iPhone 11. So I'm going to show you guys the difference between those two. And I hope this little test here helps you. It's going to be all about night shot. So if you're thinking of getting the iPhone 13 and use it at night, this is probably the video that you're looking for. Yeah, we're gonna do those tests tonight to see what it looks like. Right now it's pretty dark out here. All it is you see my neighbor lights, turn on their lights, that's it. Other than that, there's one street light out here, but that's it. This is gonna be a good test, so let's get on to it. Let's go. So I'm gonna go ahead and tilt this baby up real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take the photo. So essentially what it does is that it's doing a long exposure shot right now. The iPhone 13 is saying 8 seconds is all I need. This thing says it needs 20 seconds now in order to get this type of low light. So I'm going to do it again. The iPhone 11 looks like it's taking like 20 seconds to do, because it's literally counting down from 20 seconds. And boom. All right, so this next segment is 4K at 30 FPS. For some reason, when you go to 4K at 30 FPS, the iPhone 11 actually is a bit brighter. And I matched it with the iPhone 13 and it seemed to be just as bright. So I'm going to go ahead and record that and let you guys see this. Alright guys, so that's it right there. I hope you guys find that useful. To me, it's very educational because I've never really sat down and compared low light with these cameras before. I'm very surprised at what Apple did with the new camera. Looks like they improved the sensor and software definitely got improved. I think I'm going to enjoy this quite a bit. I'm going to do more testing on this, so if you guys like it, subscribe. I want to see you guys in the next episode. Alrighty? Have a good one. Bye-bye.